How to fix Reminders app not showing notifications on iPhone. Start by checking if Do Not Disturb is blocking your alerts. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the Control Center. Look for Focus Mode. If it's turned on, switch it off. Next, make sure the Reminders app has permission to send notifications. Open the Settings app and tap on Notifications. Select Show Previews and set it to Always. Now scroll down, find Reminders, and tap on it. At the top, confirm that Allow Notifications is turned on. If that didn't work, check for muted notifications inside the app. Go back to Settings, scroll down to Apps, and tap on Reminders. Look for Assigned Reminders and make sure Mute Notifications is toggled off. If the problem continues, try reinstalling the app without losing data. Open Settings, tap General, then choose iPhone Storage. Find Reminders and tap Offload App, then Confirm. This will remove the app but keep your data and you can reinstall it. You can also try a force restart. Quickly press and release Volume Up, then Volume Down, and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. If none of these steps work, reset your settings. Go to Settings, tap General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset, then choose Reset All Settings and Confirm. Your iPhone will restart and system settings will return to default while keeping your data intact. After this, check if notifications are working again. And that's how you can fix the Reminders app not showing notifications on iPhone.